Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am finally here with a review for the Dollar Tree products. It's 3 Dollar Tree products, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, then I will link the video below of my Dollar Tree haul where everything is $1, and I picked up quite a few products and spent very little money, of course, since everything is $1. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little apprehensive, to say the least, to try these products, but let's just go ahead and jump right into the review process. All right, so I'm just going to review in the order that I use them. And first is the Shea Solutions Deep Moisture Shampoo. Now, I would have loved to film what it looked like when I used the shampoo, but I actually shampooed my hair in the shower, which is how I prefer, and it's just difficult trying to film that right now. So anyways, it says this cleanses, moisturizes, and strengthens. It says it delivers silky, strong, and beautifully clean hair. It's paraben free. Did not know that. And designed to gently clean hair without damage. Says the shea butter deeply infuses and seals healthy moisture into hair, creating lasting strength and shine. Alrighty, so that being said, I was very surprised with this shampoo. So if you look at the consistency, well, can't really, you can see, if you look and see how, I don't know if you guys can see how watery it is. Can you? Hold on. You can't, but listen. Okay, you can hear how watery it is. There you go. So, was, I won't say moisturizing, but it definitely was not drying and stripping like I thought it would be. If you've ever used a shampoo like a VO5 or just like a super cheap like 97 cent or $1 shampoo, then you know what I'm talking about. And I honestly think it was because it seems like the shampoo is very watered down, so you're not using a ton of the cleaning agents. So I feel like it gives you a very gentle clean without being overly harsh. So I actually was a pretty big fan of this. Now, for it to, if it does what it says it does, no, I don't think so. I don't think my hair was like super shiny afterwards. My hair didn't feel like it was more moisturized. It just didn't feel like it was stripped, which is pretty much all I could ask for a shampoo. So if you are looking for a very inexpensive shampoo and you're not super particular on the ingredients, and I mean, it did say it was paraben free, I think you will absolutely love this. I know I always mention whenever I'm talking about like more inexpensive products, whether or not I always mention like, oh, I could see myself going on vacation with that. And the reason that I mention that is because whenever I travel, I like to travel as light as possible. So if I don't have to take huge containers of shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, stylers, all of that, I prefer not to. I prefer to purchase it wherever I'm going. And then if I end up having some left over, I don't feel terrible about throwing it away because it was only $1. So I think this will be great in the summertime. Even if you want to keep it at home, like say if you swim a lot and you want something that's not going to be super drying, but you need to get the chlorine out, I think this will be great. I don't know how much chlorine it'll get out, but it won't strip your hair. Let's just put it that way. So I really like this one, and I really I think you guys should try it. I like this one. She was cute. And also the smell, because I've been forgetting to mention that lately. It smells, it doesn't smell as good. You know what I'm thinking about? I'm thinking about the curl stretch cream. That's what smells good. But this, very soapy clean, like it kind of smells like hand soap. That's what it reminds me of. Oh Lord. So yeah, has a nice hand soapy clean smell. Okay. And why do you guys like, why am I holding it so aggressively in front of my face? Anyways, next item is I still don't know how to pronounce this. I don't know if it's Silkience or Silkience, whatever, Salon series, and this is the new Advanced Pro formula. I feel like this was supposed to be similar to Tresemme, just based on like the packaging and how it looks, and it being called like a pro formula. It seems like it's more supposed to garner maybe some salon results. So anyway, it just says revitalize your hair with the Pro Formula Damage Repair Conditioner. It's soy protein and essential amino acids give your tired hair the nourishment it requires for a healthy appearance. This had decent slip. I want to give it a 7.5 out of 10. The more product I use, of course, the better slip I got, and I was really saturating my hair with this, and I was comfortable to do so because, again, this product was only $1. only $1. You cannot beat all of this only for $1. So even though the slip was like kind of meh, I was okay with just, I mean, I was just dragging product through my hair and just adding more and more product in order to achieve the slip that I wanted. And I also feel like it wasn't that bad as far as conditioning goes. Now, did my hair feel luscious after using this? Absolutely not. That soy protein, I don't know if my hair felt any stronger or just any more repaired, but it's a decent conditioner, and I feel like you could maybe use this in a leave-in if you're in a bind. I wouldn't recommend it as like a leave-in and styler, but I feel like you could if you were in a bind and you could get away with it for a day. Only for a day, not much longer than that. But the smell on this one, yeah, this one's kind of smells like, I'm trying to smell it, but I keep smelling my perfume too. Yeah, this one, it reminds me of kind of like a Tresemme smell, but more like a fruity. If Tresemme was a little bit fruitier, that's what it reminds me of. So I actually like this. I would rate this, okay, if it was just, if I didn't know how much the shampoo was, I mean the conditioner was, I would probably rate it like a 6 out of 10, right? If I just thought it was like a $4 or $5 bottle of shampoo, but knowing that it's $1, I'm gonna give it like an 8 out of 10, because the fact that all this is only $1, I can't be mad at. And just to go back to the shampoo, if I didn't know that that was only $1, I would probably be looking at it sideways because it's so watery, and I'd be like, they're trying to scam me on product. But knowing that it's $1, I'm definitely going to give that about an 8.5, 9 out of 10. So I'm not mad at either of these. I would definitely repurchase both of those. Now on to the conditioner, or the hair mayonnaise. This is the Lusti olive oil hair mayonnaise. I hate that word, mayonnaise. Ugh, I hate mayonnaise. Anyways, it strengthens damaged hair. Supposed to rejuvenate fragile hair. It says it's formulated with botanicals and cholesterol to condition, moisturize, and strengthen damaged over processed hair. Of course, after shampooing, it says towel dry, and then it says you can put this on your hair, of course, sit up under a plastic cap for 10 minutes with a heated towel on your head. Of course, I set up under the heating cap, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you that process, and then we'll come back.
And it's like an ocean, and the waves, they crash and fall, and I feel the motion. Cause we're big and then we're small, and sometimes we lose it. And I'm drowning till I'm out, and sometimes you prove it. And you bring me back around. Then you give me that look, can you give me those eyes? You tell me you're hooked, I tell you you're mine. We fight to make up till everything is alright. Give me that, give me that, give me that. Pretty face, pretty baby, you're the only one that's driving.
Okay guys, so I'm noticing that the slip on this really isn't good, like at all, even with me adding water. So yeah, slip is meh. I'd say like 5 out of 10, maybe even 4.5, but yeah, we'll see. We shall see.
I could aim for in the burning summertime, you're like fire. In the midnight winter sky, you're all on earth, and I gotta have it all. You're all I'm wanting, you're all I'm aiming for. And you give me that look, can you give me those eyes? You tell me you're hooked, I tell you you're mine. We fight to make up till everything is alright. Give me that, give me that, give me that. Pretty face, pretty baby, you're the only one that's driving me crazy. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, in case you need saving, got a whole heart that's yours for the taking. Oh, oh.
just so you know, this is a plastic cap that I also got from Dollar Tree. I'm about to sit up under the heating cap for maybe 25-30 minutes and rinse out, and I'll be back.
Got a whole heart that's yours for the taking. Oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh,
oh. Okay. Okay. Excuse me? Okay, so my thoughts on this. Obviously, you guys already know, based on what you just saw, I was not a fan of the slip at all. The slip on this was horrible, like 4 out of 10. It was absolutely terrible. Even though I kept adding more and more product, and just no matter how much product I added of this, I just wasn't feeling it. It just didn't glide through my hair. I didn't feel like it was doing any type of moisturizing whatsoever. It just felt like it was sitting on top of my hair. Now, the results. I was extremely surprised with the results because my hair looked better than I thought it was going to. However, I think that the product was just so heavy on my hair that once I rinsed it out, it just kind of lingered, so it gave the appearance that it was more deep conditioned. But for me personally, I just didn't feel like this did anything to my hair as far as deep conditioning. I don't know. I really wanted to like this, but it was just okay. I mean, I'm gonna give it like a 4 out of 10 just based off of me thinking about it as a deep conditioner. If I'm thinking about it based on it only being $1, I guess I could give it a 6.5 out of 10. But this was actually the product that I was the least impressed with, and I thought I would be most impressed with it. So like I said, if you're in a bind, you can use this, but I wouldn't say like, oh my gosh, you need to, try this and see what you think. That shampoo, I definitely would recommend trying that and seeing what you think on it. I mean, it's only $1. And same thing with the conditioner. I think you could kind of work with it. This, even I feel like if I added an oil or anything like that to it, I don't think that would help. For me personally, I know some people love this, that's your business. But yeah, I don't know. It was just okay. So anyways, overall, quick rundown. Like the shampoo, almost loved it, but just was in a strong like. Same thing, not as strong of a like as a shampoo, but a mediocre, a moderate like with the conditioner, and then the hair mayonnaise. It was just okay. So anyways, let me know what you guys think of these products, if you've ever tried them and your thoughts on them. I'm going to use the styling products next time in a video to see how they work out. Fingers crossed my hair doesn't come out in shambles. But anyway, that is it. That's all I had to say, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think I already said that. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.